So don't worry. And I'd like to again call in front the rest of the BOT members, starting with our TP Tournament Director, Mr. Vince Roelos. Can you please stand in front? Friends, Andy, we request you to go in front. Asan si Andy? Hindi naman si Andy. Okay. Sino po pwedeng maging maniniyot? Okay. Our Secretary, our Madam Secretary, Lelen Paros, yes? Galing ko na raw yung mic. Kasali nga pala ko. Where is Harold?
Wala si Harold?
Marlon? Ay, tawagin natin si Tintin. Christine Isip, representing Harold Isip.
Susunod isang
Ayun, si Bongbong is currently in Singapore at si Vic naman ay may nararamdaman ng kaunti sa kanyang tuhod. Okay? So, Dini, take it away. Okay, congrats, welcome back, Brett. And so, ayun, let's our press emeritus will just give a short speech. Please listen.
Kunti lang po ito. Pasensya na po at kami ay
Ganun din to.
nawala ka, no? Sige, nanan ako. Medyo nagkamali lang po kami ng vision, pero we are here not to abandon you. Dito po kami para tumulong.
Mahal ka namin, kuya! Yes!
Thank you very much, Press Andy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ABP. Ernie Chua. Ikaw ba, continuous speech din yan. Huwag mo kaming wala nga, in English or Tagalog, not Chinese.
Tapos po ako
Well, una-una, papasalamat ako sa inyong lahat. Kasi lahat kayo sa akin dumaan bago kayo nandyan. Ang kasalanan ko lang sa inyo ay marami nang naging abit sa paglalaro ng bowling.
Tama, tama! Kami lalo!
Kaya ito ang ating asosasyon ay mahirap iwanan. So, ang dapat natin gawin palagi, kung merong dispute, pag-usapan ng maayos.
Yes!
Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Yes! Thank you!
Thank you, ABP Ernie. And thanks once again, Press Andy Kudyam. Don't worry about them.
Si Tony, puntahan ko.
So, eto si ano, ang deal dyan, bawat strike 200. Okay? Okay. Ayun, you want to say something? Okay. Sana hindi lang ito
Sunod, sige sabi mo.
tuloy lang tayo.
Yes.
Masaya at
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Aid.
Pwede na, walang may bayad.
Ito lang ang masasabi ko, ano? Marami ang nagmamahal dito sa ating association, ano? Kaya dapat lagi lang tayo masaya, lagi tayong excited na maglaro. Huwag nating bigyan ng puwang ang anumang hidwaan.
Yes.
Dapat we all understand each other and we cooperate fully with each other. Thank you very much. Kaya kung mapupunan ninyo,
Enjoy lang.
Yan na.
oo, ang ating mga activities will even improve more. No? With the kind of cooperation that we are all getting from everyone. So always be happy. Let bygones be bygones. Okay? Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
Ito muna